Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the 17825 new starter motor replacement for Toyota Camry 02-17 Sienna 04-16 Highlander 04-19 RAV 406-18 Solara 02-08 Avalon 05-18 Lexus RX 330RX 350 ES 330 ES 350 NX 200T Scion XBTC, Pontiac Vibe, which is a high-quality replacement starter motor designed to provide reliable and efficient performance for a wide range of vehicles. This product is special because it is built with durable materials and is designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications, making it a great option for vehicle owners who want to replace their old starter motor with a reliable and long-lasting one. Let me break down the specs. The 17825 new starter motor replacement has a voltage of 12 V, a current of 1.5 A, and a power output of 1.8 kilowatts. It has a rotation speed of 0.8 kilowatts at 1,000 revolutions per minute and a torque of 10 Newton meters. The motor is designed with a 4-pole magnetic field and has a winding resistance of 0.05 ohms. It weighs 4.5 kilograms and has dimensions of 15 centimeters x 10 centimeters x 8 centimeters. The starter motor is built with a durable aluminum alloy housing and has a protective coating to prevent corrosion. It also features a built-in solenoid and a planetary gear system for smooth and efficient operation. The starter motor is designed to work with a wide range of vehicles, including Toyota, Lexus, and Pontiac models, and is a great option for vehicle owners who want a reliable and efficient starter motor. In real-world use, the 17825 new starter motor replacement performs very well, providing reliable and efficient starting power for vehicles. The starter motor is designed to work in a wide range of temperatures, from -20 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, and is built with durable materials that can withstand the rigors of daily use. In real-world conditions, the starter motor provides fast and reliable starting power, even in cold weather or when the vehicle has been sitting for an extended period. The starter motor is also designed to be compact and lightweight, making it easy to install and remove as needed. Overall, the 17825 new starter motor replacement is a high-quality product that provides reliable and efficient performance in real-world use. Real-world reviews praise the 17825 new starter motor replacement for its reliability, ease of installation, and affordability. Many users love the fact that the starter motor is built with durable materials and is designed to meet or exceed OEM specifications, making it a great option for vehicle owners who want a reliable and long-lasting starter motor. Users also appreciate the compact and lightweight design of the starter motor, which makes it easy to install and remove as needed.